The experience was just amazing. I'm at the Royal Varuna Yacht Club in Pattaya for some sailing.
Are you ready to go sailing?
Now on the first day the winds were really strong.
Always keep it in.
Yeah.
Okay. Push. One, two, three, go!
And the sea was rough.
Oh, I see. You said don't pull the rope.
Yeah, I was trying to release the rope. Where are we? Take that!
So as a first-time sailor, it was not easy.
Turning is a nightmare.
Especially when you did the tack, and basically the tack is the U-turn.
Oh my gosh!
It was not easy at all. This is the second day and I'm all geared up for sailing. Yesterday I used the GoPro camera with a bicycle mount and I hooked it on one of the life jacket straps and it didn't work well. Today I'm using the chest mount. Let's hope I'm gonna get better footage. Go! Oh, sabay mak. Muan. Ooh, lom leng mak. Okay, let's get some speed. Give me some speed. Pull it towards you just a bit.
Mark, 3, 2, 1, push. Wait, the boot comes to us.
Yeah. You can't imagine the waves yesterday. It was unbelievable. We capsized like every 2 minutes. Now on the second day, it was not that windy. The sea was calmer, but we had good wind speed. It was a great experience. Oh, and let me show you my bungalow. A nice view of the pool. And here we have the sails and the sea. It's my third and last day of sailing. Let's go out on the water.
Tack! Push! Excellent! Push! Yes! Good job! Because the wind is not strong like this, you know.
Wow. On the third day, it was just amazing.
Oh yeah.
The sea was calm, there was enough wind to get enough power in the sail, and I just loved it. A great day, highly recommended. Go sailing, people. The boat I sailed is called RS Cuba with a Q, and it is basically an entry-level boat which you can get a hang of really quickly, and it's easy to steer once you got a hang of it. And that's the end of my 3-day sailing trip at the Royal Varuna Yacht Club in Pattaya.
Share, like, subscribe, comment. Do you like sailing?